Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla Giga Berlin progresses towards launch of battery factory, is now setting up anode mixing. Tesla accounted for 2.4% of German new car registrations in January. Tesla Megafactory produces 1 Megapack every 68 minutes to bring up to 40 gigawatt-hour of storage capacity per year. And Tesla Model Y's complete lineup now qualifies for EV tax credits through Inflation Reduction Act. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla Giga Berlin is moving forward with the launch of its battery factory. At the moment, the company is setting up anode mixing, which is progressing at a fast pace. Tesla Giga Berlin continues to step up efforts to launch the production of a battery factory. Although the full start of production of 4680 battery cells is still far off, the company is moving forward with the installation of equipment for the production of their components. A source familiar with the matter at Giga Berlin said that at the moment, Tesla is setting up anode mixing, which is going super well. After that, the installation of the cathode line will begin. This week, the Giga Berlin production lines are under maintenance, in particular the machinery. The factory achieved production of well above 3,000 units per week, however, has yet to hit the 4,000 mark. While the main production lines are under maintenance, powertrain production continues. The battery factory also continues to operate. All the main workshops of the factory work only 5 days a week, however, the casting shop is busy 7 days a week. After the end of maintenance of the production lines, Giga Berlin will continue to increase production at the previously planned pace. The factory currently employs about 9,500 employees out of an expected 12,000. Giga Berlin is working to start expanding its territories to add a logistics area. In addition, the company has begun preparing the already owned plot in order to continue expansion and increase production capacity there. Moving to the next update, Tesla accounted for 2.4% of German new car registrations in January. Tesla's sales in Germany are exploding. The brand was responsible for 2.4% of all new car registrations in Germany, according to the Federal Motor Authority, KBA. Buyers registered 4,241 new Tesla cars in the first month of 2023, a massive 912.2% rise over the same period last year. Tesla usually experiences a surge in car registrations in Germany in the last month of a quarter before dropping back in the first month of the next quarter. Tesla's shares saw the biggest year-on-year jump among all car brands in Germany in January. It sold only 419 in January 2022. It is tempting to ascribe the jump in car registration to the recent price cuts across Europe. However, the effect on car registration may not be felt yet, as delivery times are between 1 and 3 months. This implies Tesla may report even more dramatic growth in the coming months. The growth in sales in January was not as dramatic in China, where Tesla recorded a 10% increase on 66,000 sales. However, the EV maker plans to increase Giga Shanghai output to cope with the exploding demand. Tesla sold more than 1.3 million EVs last year and expects to deliver 1.8 million this year. Moving to the next update, Tesla Megafactory produces 1 Megapack every 68 minutes to bring up to 40 gigawatt-hour of storage capacity per year. Tesla Megafactory produces 1 Megapack every 68 minutes. At full capacity, the Megafactory will add up to 40 gigawatt-hour of storage capacity per year, which is equal to 50 fossil fuel peaker plants. Tesla has shared a new video from its production site in Lathrop, California, where it manufactures the next-generation Megapack units. The company said, "The Megafactory is the largest battery manufacturing plant in North America. It helps the company scale Megapack production and quickly add clean energy storage to the grid." The Megapack 2XL is the new, largest battery pack with built-in power electronics and thermal systems for high efficiency, easy integration, and improved scalability. To manufacture batteries, Tesla uses the same core thermal components that are used in Tesla cars. This allows Megapack to work in the hardest conditions in different climates. Tesla revealed in the video that the Megafactory can produce 1 Megapack every 68 minutes. This means that about 22 units leave the assembly line every day. This means that at the moment, the production capacity of the facility is more than 8,000 units. However, production continues to ramp up as the factory has an installed capacity of 10,000 units per year. At full capacity, the Megafactory will add up to 40 gigawatt-hour of storage capacity, equal to 50 fossil fuel peaker plants. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model Y's complete lineup now qualifies for EV tax credits through Inflation Reduction Act. Tesla's complete lineup of Model Y trim levels now qualifies for electric vehicle tax credits through the Inflation Reduction Act, as the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) has increased the applicable MSRP limit to $80,000 across each of the all-electric crossovers configurations. In December, the IRS released a list of vehicles that would qualify for the EV tax credit, effectively taking off $7,500 from the purchase price in the form of a tax break. While the tax credit was revised and allowed automakers who had not been eligible for the tax credits due to previously enforced sales caps of 200,000 units, it still had its flaws. Vehicles like the 5-seat configurations of the Model Y were 238 pounds too light to be considered SUVs and thus did not qualify for the tax break because it fell into the category of all other vehicles. Qualifying SUVs had an $80,000 MSRP limit, while all other vehicles had a $55,000 limit. This sent Tesla fans and its CEO Elon Musk into a spell of confusion, as the tax credit, which was used to incentivize the purchase of sustainable powertrains, still included various gas-powered hybrid models. According to a report from Bloomberg, the U.S. Treasury Department said it would broaden the definition of an SUV. This would cause the government to revise its MSRP limits on certain Model Y vehicles that previously did not qualify for the credit. The IRS has already updated the qualifying vehicles list on its website, with Tesla having each of its Model Y configurations now qualifying for the credit, as they are now considered SUVs in the government's eyes. The tax credit changes come just a week after Tesla CEO Elon Musk met with several high-ranking officials in Washington, D.C. last week to discuss EVs and shared goals around electrification. One of the topics of the meeting was the broader cause of electrification. EV adoption has been a main point of emphasis for Tesla, and its influence on other car companies to also develop competitive electric vehicles has been a critical part of the country's adoption of battery-powered cars. The IRS invited consumers to comment on the tax credit program, and petitions were spread across the internet, garnering tens of thousands of signatures supporting a revision to the program. Other new additions to the qualified vehicles list are the Ford Mustang Mach-E, Cadillac Lyriq, and Volkswagen ID.4, which will benefit from the program's reclassification of SUVs and crossovers. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.